Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a 15 metre Karcher drain cleaning hose. It's got a very flexible hose, and this particular one has one forward facing nozzle and three rear facing nozzles. So the forward facing nozzle hits the back of this little bullet on the end of the spring here and makes the end of it wiggle around so it digs a hole through the obstruction. The three rear facing jets drive the hose through and along the drain hose and clear out and flush out the debris. You can see it's fitted with the Karcher bayonet connector, so that will fit all of your Karcher K series machines, your 2, 3, 4, 5 and K7 series, and all the latest Karcher Comfort full control pressure washers. So that's the Karcher 15 metre drain cleaning hose.